I love what I do. Every day is a new challenge. That's what makes it fun for me. I never wanted to be in a role where I was just living for the weekend, and here I live to come in every day, right? It's like the opposite. I live to do what I do. I live for this. It's so much fun.
What I really like about the ATS Innovations is how closely the applications and systems design team works with the Innovation Center. We are hand in hand with them on not only coming up with new ideas for innovations and problems we're trying to solve, but we also help them execute those and bring those to the operations team.
Some benefits and perks of working at ATS. Once you start with the company, we have an amazing onboarding process. That onboarding process looks into what your developmental goals are and also teaches you our processes.
So it's important to keep everyone to have a balance of it's not just work, we're not just here as numbers or as employees, we're also here as people, and we're able to connect and get to know each other in a better balance, so everything at work becomes a little bit calmer.
Every day, especially because of the empowerment from the leadership team, and so where I am empowered to look for continuous improvement opportunity and actually help people when they are trying to implement something new, help them and walk them through it. So that's my purpose, and it makes me really happy.
Here, everybody is willing to give you the time of day when you have a technical question, both for the good of the company, but also for the good of yourself, so you can learn more and be better the next time.
So what excites me about working at ATS is just everyone here, we're really a big family and everyone cares about each other. Even if you're having a bad day, you can kind of go to anyone and really talk about it and kind of work through. Plus, it's just a fun environment, and there's always something new and exciting that we all get to join in together on.
Our summer picnic is coming up. It's right in the corner, so really excited. They provide all the, it's a family, so all the family of the employee gets invited to the events, and then we get to know each other more, build relationship even with our family. So that's where I really enjoy these events.
Some of the benefits of working at ATS is the opportunities that you have to meet people. So fellow employees, we've got some programs that we meet up outside of work. For example, the golf league I'm a part of. I never played golf before I started at ATS. One day I've got an email with an invitation. I decided to go and met a bunch of amazing people that now I consider friends. I hang out with to play golf and other things, and I'm addicted to golf, frankly, now.
Yoga is really important at ATS because when there is really stressful days or just something that goes awry that we don't expect, it's really good as like a calming environment, and having everyone kind of decompress after work really works out for us.
I rarely see any company having a people scorecard on their value driver. So that's one thing that's kind of wowed me when I first started interviewing and all that stuff. Yeah.
We have tools and learnings that are available to you to improve your skills, but then there's also focused coaching and mentoring programs as well within ATS.
So what excites me about working at ATS, I work with a team of people that are extremely passionate in our project management organization, and they are dedicated to making sure that our teams feel comfortable and confident.
Working in life sciences is definitely a very fulfilling role, knowing that you're working on medical devices to help people at the end of the day, make sure that people are getting the medical devices they want through improved manufacturing.